Welcome to ExpressIRSForms, your premier online tax solution for filing your IRS information returns accurately and easily. An authoritative transmittal has to be filed by every ALE member by reporting employee data of aggregated employer level data. Any employer who files one or more Form 1095Cs must file one 1094C form as a transmittal form. You must mark this transmission as authoritative transmittal if this is the only transmittal for this year, or you have multiple transmissions, but this is the authoritative transmittal for this year. Choose yes and confirm this current form as authoritative transmittal for your organization. Enter your 1095C form count details. Provide 1095C form counts filled out currently on behalf of the respective ALE organizations. Click Next and choose relative alternative reporting options if the IRS certifies your organization to use these methods. If the employer meets the eligibility requirements and is using one of the offer methods or one of the forms of transition relief indicated, then your organization must check each applicable box. After your selection, click Next and mark your organization's choice of reporting your employees' information and their health coverage for the calendar months of the tax year. For minimum essential coverage, mark same for all 12 months if the employer has offered minimum essential coverage for its full-time employees for all 12 months of the calendar year. Mark no varies by month if the employer offers minimum essential coverage to its employees for certain months of the calendar year. For full-time employee count for ALE members, if checked same for all 12 months, enter the number of full-time employees that includes full-time employees, non-full-time employees, part-time employees, and employees newly joined in a limited non-assessment period in your organization for 12 months of the calendar year. If checked no, enter the number of full-time employees in your organization for each month. Do not count any employee in a limited non-assessment period. This video was brought to you by ExpressIRSForms, the IRS authorized ACA compliance and reporting division and market leader for 1099 and W-2 forms. Please do not hesitate to contact our dedicated support team in Rock Hill, South Carolina if you have any questions or need further assistance.